Yo. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry, therefore. Yeah. Me no say Kuami Eugene trendy baby. Na question a dodo na ebisa ne say why now? Kuami Eugene. Why now? Rockstar. Fanboy. Papa. Naboko de. Yo. Kwame pen ho asemo. Kwame. Ana. We hear numbers no e dey sell new track na. Because me dwene ho am ntiase. Me therefore story no ne tintini ni tietie nyina ni me no ka say Kuami Eugene interview bi eba. Come here say full interview no enyama abonten. Na mom the snippet of the interview no wa abonten. Na me therefore snippet na e wa abonten no Kuami Eugene kasem bi na eno na come here say etwetwe Ghana fo nyina so. Kuami Eugene say.
So it was that hard in the church till some time ago. I had a friend who took me to Volta region.
Volta?
Yes, so we were in Volta region for some time. And as soon as I came back from Volta region, all of a sudden, everything just changed like that. As soon as I came back from Volta region, I joined MTN Maker. I was picked. After MTN Maker, I was second runner-up. After second runner-up, I was signed by Links Entertainment. Links signed me. I took Song Artist of the Year from Song Artist of the Year to New Artist of the Year, New Artist of the Year to Artist of the Year to me. So after my
wait. You came back from Volta.
Yeah, as soon as I came
and
back,
and all these things were just
just started changing for me.
Why? What did you do in Volta?
Yo. Yeah. Kwame. Volta. Sa. Lie. Enkasa fanboy. Menkasa. Ubuye ba yete. Onti ase. Ubuye ba yete.